Welcome to another Enterprise Reporter video demonstration. In this demonstration, we'll be showing you how to perform a SQL Server discovery and using that data to run a report. We'll start in the Configuration Manager, where we have pre-configured clusters and nodes. We'll be using them to run a discovery task. To do so, we select New Discovery and Microsoft SQL. You'll be presented with a wizard where you insert some information about the task. Select which cluster you want to use and click Next. Next is the scope of the discovery, where we type in the SQL Server name, click Add, and OK. We then click Next. Next are any exclusions we wish to configure, which can be utilized from the server or database level. We then click Next, and we can set up a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule, but we're just going to run this task manually in this scenario. We right-click on the new task and click Run. After some time, it will finish, and then we enter the Report Manager. As you can see, there are Microsoft SQL pre-configured reports that you can run, but in this scenario, we're going to create our own. We then click Create, then Report, and we're presented with an information screen where we type in information about the report. Next is the fields that you want to include in the report. We'll select the database field underneath Microsoft SQL, however, there are many to choose from. The Parameters and Queries tab can be utilized as needed. And the Layout tab allows you to either auto-generate a report or design your own in the Report Designer. There are many customization options you can utilize to create your own report layout. But in this scenario, we will auto-generate a data-bound report and include these three fields. Then click Finish, and a preview appears. And if everything looks good, we click OK. To run the report, we select the new report and click Run Report. The report viewer displays the report in an easy-to-read format, also including export options to multiple formats, as well as email options, in case you need to send it to a colleague. This concludes this demonstration of running a discovery for SQL data and using that data to run a report. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Enterprise Reporter, or access our 30-day free trial, please visit us online.